When we look at the geographical position of Argentina, we see that the land is, first of all, very big, and it stretches from the very, very cold south, which has kind of Arctic conditions even, to the north, where we have tropical conditions. The center of Argentinian viticulture is located in the middle of the country. Mendoza is by far the biggest wine region of Argentina. It is found more or less on the same latitude as the capital Buenos Aires. But Mendoza is not located on the Atlantic Ocean, on the coast, but in the inlands on the foothills of the Andes. In terms of size, but also in terms of quality and in terms of consumer awareness, Mendoza is by far the biggest and most important wine region of Argentina. The second biggest wine region of Argentina is San Juan, followed by Rioja, having the same name as the Spanish wine region, La Rioja. And number 4 is a region located rather in the north of the country, but not in the tropical zones, but rather very high up in altitude. That is Salta. When we look at production volumes and vineyard surface area, we see that Mendoza is really dominating Argentina's wine production. The following 3 regions, San Juan, La Rioja and Salta, together do not even make a quarter of the production of Mendoza. Concerning grape varieties, Argentina is a country that has something very specific. Mostly, wines are separated into white grape varieties and red grape varieties. In Argentina, though, they have blancas, white varieties, tintas, red grape varieties, and what they say, rosadas or coloradas. This means colored grape varieties. These rosadas are not really dark blue like the red grape varietals. They're also not green or yellowish like the white wine grape varieties. They have a reddish gray skin like we know it from European grape varieties that are well known, such as Pinot Grigio or Gewürztraminer. These rosadas grape varieties are really very specific for Argentina, and they were among the first ones that were brought from Spanish settlers to Latin America.